love the way you do your hair in the mirror every time.
So it'll be emotional, you know. Hope I'm not going to see you tomorrow anymore.
Yeah,
Actually, guy was right. Well done.
Oop. Break, that's it. Just came off a little bit quick, didn't you?
We learn from failure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, check. Yo, what's going on, guys? Rowan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog is going to be something slightly different than usual. So I basically decided to vlog my whole learning how to drive experience. So there's going to be some funny moments in a minute, so keep an eye on that. I took an intensive driving course with PassMeFast UK. Who is PassMeFast UK? Let me tell you a little bit more about these guys. PassMeFast UK is one of the UK's largest provider of intensive and flexible driving courses, and they cover the whole of the Great Britain. The whole process works pretty simple. You choose your course, then send over the deposit, and after that they will book your test for you and you go to drive. Also, the instructor will pick you up and drop you off at home or at work.
When it's parallel.
Now it's parallel to me.
Bring it, go forward a bit. Off the brake.
Yeah.
Off the brake.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Would you agree?
Yeah, but it's really hard to tell.
I agree, it's hard to tell.
Because it's not the whole curve, it's just half of it.
So, from what you can see, is it the front further away or is it the back?
Hold on, it's the front further away.
Alright, let's turn the engine off and let's go and have a look. I like it when my pupils get me wrong, but it doesn't happen often, unfortunately.
We're checking now, and then actually guy was right. Well done.
Again.
There we are. Straight on point.
Alright, and the centre one.
And then the centre.
I love the way you do your hair in the mirror every time. I love it.
Right. Gotta be fresh for the drive, right?
Very end.
Yeah.
Turn left, please. Do you steering a bit more? Do you steering a bit more? Yeah. Do you steering a little bit more? Mirror. That was a little bit bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Should have really seen him coming.
What's going on, guys? It's finally week with PassMeFast UK, and I'm super excited because my exam is at the end of this week. So a few more days is my exam, and I'm feeling super confident, and I cannot wait. Obviously, I've been doing so many hours, obviously my drive instructor guy, he's the best. Literally, he's the best, the way he explains and everything, and we're having so much fun every single time we're driving. So yeah, I'm gonna head over now. I got 3 hours I got today, and I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go, see you on track.
So yeah, as I said, with all roundabouts, there's normally signs. It's just behind the van at the moment, you'll see in a second.
Is this a big one?
Yeah, this is a big one. It's a good one to learn on because it's a straightforward one, and a normal looking roundabout, let's say. As I say, we're going to go towards Woolwich Ferry, first exit. Oop. Break, that's it. Just came off a little bit quick, didn't you? Good. Curbs going to the left, dip the clutch down, look to the right again, signal once more. Good. Look to the right once more, good, dip it, good, very nice, very nice. Signal once more, good. Yeah, very nice, Florin, very nice. Good, very nice gears. Left mirror, just to help us maintain a decent position. Gently into third. Very nice. So stay towards
So the exam is today. I'm feeling ready. I'm feeling prepared. A little bit nervous. It's good to have nerves, you know. Otherwise, I wouldn't be excited for it. So that means I'm excited. Slightly be nervous, as I said, and yeah, I'm looking forward. So I don't think I'll be able to film the exam, but I'll let you know how I get on as soon as it's out of its way. Yeah, so enough talking, and let's go and get it. Right, so as I said before I left home, this is the big day, and Guy, my instructor here, is giving me the speech. It's a little bit emotional, you know. Hope I'm not going to see you tomorrow anymore.
Yeah, no offence, but yeah, hopefully this is the last meeting for a while. But
what do you think?
I think you're doing well. Whether the nerves, as with most people, get hold of you.
I think it's good to have a little bit of nerves because you're excited.
Keeps you in check. Yeah, keeps
but not
you in
too
check.
much. Yeah,
definitely. But we'll see how it goes.
So yeah, guys. Obviously, I won't be able to film during the exam, but we'll let you know how it goes. And hey, we learn through failure. If it goes wrong, if it goes well, then we're gonna pop the champagne later on.
Yeah, have a big party.
Exactly.
Come and pick me up, can't
well,
you?
thank you so much for everything. And as I said, hope I'm not gonna see you tomorrow anymore.
It's a pleasure.
Right. So the verdict, as you can see on my face, I failed. But the driving was great. It was a tiny teeny mistake which I did not quite understood very well the examiner. And am I upset? Yeah, I'm upset. Of course, it's normal. But I do understand what was the mistake in the end, and I'm trying my best next time to get it, and I'm feeling much more confident. So it seems like I'm seeing you guy again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can look forward to that.
And not necessary to learn how to drive, because we're there.
No, you was just very unlucky.
We learn through failure.
And we put the energy into getting the test and getting it right next time.
So there's gonna be a next time. Keep an eye. Nice and early this morning. I think it's about 5 a.m. in the morning, and today's the big day. Second time lucky. Let's see if we're lucky enough to pass this exam, because last time I was so devastated. Honestly, you could see on my face. Jesus. But you never know these things, you know. No matter how much of a good driver you are, you never know what's gonna happen with the you know, examiner and stuff like that. We do mistakes, we forget to see signs sometimes and all that. But hey, second time lucky, let's go. As I said, the most important thing is not giving up. Guy, are you proud of me? Are you proud of me?
Yes, you done.
Yeah?
You done well. You deserved it.
Hey, it's time to celebrate, yeah?